What's up, guys? AK with DCCTRAIN. This is intro part 1 of decoder installation. Bachmann Spectrum GE 45 ton switcher. I'm still not sure why 44 ton switcher. In real life it's bigger. Anyway, so this is original decoder, and that's my third approach how to do it. Yeah, now it's kind of crystallized. This is Luxound Nano. I thought to use it, but it's the same pretty much as Micro, actually a little bit more weight. Thinking gives me more space, but not really. And that's original decoder. We'll talk about a little bit later. At the end of the video, I'll show you I converted lights already. That's like 50% of the job done. So before era of sugar cube speakers, I did decoder installation, sound decoder installation, when the first Micro show up. So we're talking about like 12 years ago or something. It was great, but only one thing, I put speaker outside, cut those top of the cylinders, glue them. So if I'm not gonna tell you like, see, I remodeled that part, you're not gonna mention, but I prefer speaker inside the locomotive. So that's approach happening. Going to remodel that chamber construction, ESU sugar cube speaker. So it will be around here, and the decoder right there. Original surface mount LEDs. It's good idea, but again, we're talking about old technology. They kind of yellow, like yellow, not golden white, and not really shiny also. Just one sitting here. Make me a little bit smile. The code, color code is proper here, gray and orange kind of, yes, but on the other end it's not. Kind of gray and yellow should be blue, but anyway, the point I'm trying to make, don't count on manufacturers. If you're remodeling, don't count on manufacturers' color scheme for the wires. All right, so time to show you the light I remodeled already. It's done. Just need the wire management. Here we go. Also, I can dim it a little bit, and it looks like much better. Okay, that will be all for today. Thanks for watching, supporting business. If you'd like to support channel, there is a join button under every single video. We'll see you on DCCTRAIN live channel, and have a good one. Bye bye.